Remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. This shouldn't be us. Why can't it be us when we become like them? We weren't supposed to break up. Let's to make up to what my heart meant. No, this should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be
Alright guys, this is the first time in a long time that I have done a makeup tutorial, so I'm kind of nervous just to see how this is going to all turn out, and I hope everything looks good, well, the way I want it to. For this look, I'm gonna pin back my hair. Most of it's already done. I have to go back and so I have to go back and recurl some pieces, but most of my hair is already curled, and I did self-tan a little bit, so my body is tanner than my face and my hands. I don't have any nails on right now because I'm giving nails a break for a little bit, so ignore my nails. I'm kind of nervous because it's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial and I feel like I don't even know what to do right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so I'm first starting off with putting concealer on my eyelid, and I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in Sand Sable. The top of the concealer, the sponge ended up breaking off, so I just applied it on the back of my hand, and now I'm applying it just on my eyelid with my finger. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go in with the new Carly Bible palette. I'm really excited because I just got this and I haven't played around with it too much. Look at her palette, it's so cute. I love her packaging, like all the time. She always nails it. So that's the palette. I haven't really played with it that much, I've swatched it, so that's why it looks like I have, but I really haven't. Yeah, so this is her older palette that she came out with, BH Cosmetics. I'm probably gonna use some of the shimmer shades as well. She has a lot of really good highlights in there too, so I'll definitely be using that. Alright guys, so I ended up using two palettes. I used both of the Carly Bible palettes, one with Anastasia collab and the other one with BH Cosmetics. So I first went in with the Anastasia one and I used chai, and I also mixed a little bit of chai with Cindy. So here I am just showing you guys that I'm mixing both of them and I'm applying them to my crease. So now I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to use the pink highlighter shade, and I'm also going to use that pink eyeshadow that's in the middle. So I'm just applying both of those to my lid, and I'm going back and forth between my left eye and my right eye. Then I'm going to go back into the Anastasia palette and use the color Bully. I hope I'm saying all these names right. I'm just applying that on my lid as well. So now I'm going in with another blending brush right underneath where I applied Chai and Cindy. I'm going to apply Cindy and Steve and just blend that in. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with the color Moo just to give it a little bit of sparkle in the center of my lid. Here I'm just using a clean small brush and just blending everything out. Alright, so I went ahead and just put some eyeliner, like the littlest bit, and my lashes on off camera just because I'm getting used to doing all of this on camera. So I figured doing lashes off of camera and eyeliner off of camera was easier for me right now. But yeah, that's all I did. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my favorite part, which in this video I think is going to be the skin. I don't know, it always switches. Sometimes I like doing my eyes more, sometimes I like doing my face makeup more, but for this video in particular, I think I'm gonna like doing my face makeup more just because the Victoria's Secret Angels have very dewy, soft looking skin, healthy looking skin, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that. Alright, so after I moisturize, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Prep and Prime by MAC in Radiant Yellow. So since the Victoria's Secret models have very dewy, fresh, natural looking makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and use this new foundation. I've already used it multiple times. Dream Urban Cover Foundation by Maybelline. And then I'm gonna mix it with my It Cosmetics CC cream. I am probably going to put some Cover FX drops mixed in with these two. So here I am testing to see if the color is the right shade that my body is. Now I forgot to mention the color of the foundation that I used or that I'm in. So for the Maybelline foundation I'm in 310. For the It CC cream I am in a medium, and then for the Cover FX drops I am Celestial. Same concealer I used for my eyelids, I am just putting that underneath my eyes. I'm also going to put it on my chin, in the middle of my nose, and in the middle of my forehead. I'm going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm just setting underneath my eyes. I don't leave it on too long since I naturally have dry skin, so I leave it on for a little bit and then just brush it away with a brush. Next I go in with this translucent setting powder by Rimmel, Stay Matte. Then I'm going in with my favorite bronzer by MAC. It's called Give Me Sun. Ever since I got this bronzer, I have not set it down. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite. Alright guys, so my camera died as I was bronzing my face. So yeah, my camera ended up dying while that happened, so I had to let my battery charge for like 30 minutes, and now the sun's going down. So I'm gonna hurry up and finish this. The next thing I'm gonna use is this like Bare Minerals palette. It has like 3 different colors, 2 like blush shades, and then this is kind of like a bronzer shade that's really shimmery. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the last one in the palette, this one. So I'm applying that blush just all over my cheeks. I want a little bit more of rosy cheeks, so I'm going to use this Milani Baked Blush in Dulce Pink. Okay, and for highlight, I'm going to use my favorite highlight, which is the Anastasia Ambreezy highlight, and I'm just going to use some setting spray. This is the Wet n Wild setting spray. It's the one that smells like coconut. I'm going to spritz my face with the setting spray as well. Does anyone else apply too much setting spray to their face? I think I apply way too much, but it just feels so refreshing. So here I am again applying more highlight after I put my setting spray on. Then I'm putting highlight in my inner corner, and I'm putting eyeshadow underneath my eyelid. So I did make an outro for you guys, but I was kind of rambling in my outro, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a voice over it. So basically what I was saying was that the last thing that I didn't get on camera was just my lip combo. So for lip liner, I used the Eyeshadow / ColourPop Cosmetics lip liner in Curvy, and then I put the MAC lipstick in Cherish on top of that. And then for the last thing, I ended up putting the Brilliant Effects lipstick, which was in the color 3254, and that was my lip combo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my recreation of Victoria's Secret makeup and outfit Halloween look. I hope you guys had a safe and happy Halloween. See you guys in my next video. 1, 2, 3 years of silence.